Napakaganda mga kababayan ng reactions ng ating mga kababayan sa naging appointment ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kay Senator Sani Angara bilang bagong DepEd Secretary. Pati yung mga militan po, approve. Angara's appointment is a much improved choice. Sabi po ng teachers group. Madaling sabi, nagustuhan nila mga kababayan kaysa sa dating DepEd Secretary. Yung dating DepEd Secretary mga kababayan, 50-50 yun. May mga nagugusto, may mga hindi. 50-50, parang yung tinatakbo po sa emergency hospital. Di ba niya, Mr. Maravillas? Pag sinabing 50-50, naghihingalo. Naghihingalo nga po yung ating edukasyon. Kulila. Pati mga negosyante po, natuwa mga kababayan. Sabi dito mga kababayan sa Politico News, bright days ahead. Angara sees sunny future for Philippine education after appointment to DepEd. Pati si Martin Romualdez, sabi ni MR, Angara an outstanding choice to replace Sara Duterte in DepEd. Ang galingan niya, Mr. Maravillas, ng description ni Martin. Outstanding. Yung isa niya, Mr. Maravillas, standing lang. Nakatayo sa rally. Anti-Marcos rally, standing. Nakatayo. Sabi sa Manila Standard, are you happy with the new DepEd Secretary? Education officials, lawmakers, share their thoughts. Mga ordinary netizens po. Mamaya, basahin ko po sa inyo mga kababayan yung mga reactions nila. Tuwang-tuwa sila sa naging appointment ni Sani Angara. But before ko mga kababayan ibigay sa inyo yung full story ng mga balitang yan, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video at huwag na rin po ninyo na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unlad ng Bagong Pilipinas. Sa mga naghanap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab car rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. Also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific and other airline companies, local and international. And bills payment for Meralco Bills, PLDT, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Landco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Gilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966 8020949. Yan po yung aming Innova. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Yan po bago naming mga clients. Pati mga foreigners po, mga British tourists po sila. Na-set up na rin po yung mga bago naming gym equipments. May treadmill na rin po kami. Ito naman po yung binibenta naming bagong product online, Eyegloss Serum. Whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur, Riz Maravillas. Yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang messenger sa Facebook. Ito naman po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream. Pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kasukasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Nengsa Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na niya, Mr. Maravillas. So balikan natin yung mga reactions ng ating mga officials, boss sa pribado, mga negosyante, mga lawmakers po, at mga NGOs. Mainit yung naging pagtanggap, mga kababayan. Nagustuhan nila yung appointment ni Sani Angara. At maging sa DepEd mismo, mga kababayan, sa loob ng DepEd, welcome na welcome po si Sani Angara. Highly educated kasi po at refined person. Highly qualified. At sabi nga natin, mature po siya, no? Wala kang marinig na masamang reputasyon kay Sani Angara. Madaling sabi, yung pagkatao niya may breeding. Para niya, Mr. Maravillas, may tinatamas. Yun naman talaga po, may breeding at napakatalino po. Graduate ng Harvard, Master of Laws, well-experienced public servant, abogado, graduate ng UP, mga kababayan. At malawak yung experience sa public service. Bilang congressman, bilang senador, at galing siya, mga kababayan, sa pamilya ng mga educators. So naintindihan niya, mga kababayan, ang problema sa ating edukasyon. Hindi yung pag tinanong po, ituturo yung undersecretary. Ano ba? Hindi maka-express ng sarili niya ng maayos. Walang tantrums, mga kababayan. Hindi childish. At sabi nga natin, mga kababayan, ang maganda kay Sani Angara, hindi po nagorgor sa sarili. Walang tendency. Di ba? Pag may gorgor dito po, di ba? Pag ganyan po, delikado. You just imagine, yung isang official, top official po, may tendency. Lalo niya, Mr. Maravillas, na hindi pwede sa pagiging Pangulo. Talaga po, you just imagine kung ang leader natin sa 2028 po, ang manalo, may tendency na maggorgor ng sarili niya. Maglaslas. Kasi hindi ginaya yung pressure ng trabaho. Kawawa ang Pilipinas pag ganon. So sabi po ni DepEd Undersecretary Michael Powa, their agency is looking forward to working with Angara in hopes she will continue improving the quality of basic education dito sa ating bansa. Itong si Angara kasi, mga kababayan, nagsilbi na as commissioner ng EDCOM 2 where he championed key initiative in finance and governance. Siya din ang nagsulong for better resources to support nutrition and feeding programs sa mga eskwelahan and the assessment ng senior high school at vocational graduates, sabi po ng EDCOM 2. Other notable organizations that approve of President Marcos' top choice para po sa DepEd post include the Philippine Business for Education and the National Research Council of the Philippines. Kita ninyo, welcome na welcome po yung naging appointment. Natuwa yung napakaraming sektor po sa pagpili ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kay Sani Angara. Sa Senado man po, bumuhos yung congratulatory messages mula sa mga senador. Siyempre, party siya ng Senado. Senate President Francis Escudero led the chamber in wishing him well, considering the gargantuan task ahead. Sabi naman po ni Tolentino na nandun sa palasyo. Nagkita kami sa Palasyo Malacanang nung Sunday, sa konsyerto sa palasyo. At malamang, sabi nga ni Bato, siya na lang niya mag-announce. Sasama na po sa administrasyon yata si Tolentino. Kausap si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. Diba? My heartfelt congratulations niya to Senator Angara for a well-deserved appointment, sabi ni Escudero. Sabi naman po ni Tolentino, I'm sure he will do a good job as DepEd Secretary with his EDCOM background and familiarity with current issues. Ganon din, mga kababayan, sina Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, Joel Villanueva, Ramon Revilla Jr., Joseph Victor Ejercito, Sherwin Gatchalian, and Nancy Binay, saka si Loren Ligarda, dahil po sa credentials po ni Sani Angara. Sabi ni Win Gatchalian, I am confident that his integrity, long experience in government service, and his ability to think outside the box will be assets to the department he is about to lead. Si Gatchalian po, chairperson ng Senate Committee on Basic Education, Arts and Culture. Di ba, mainit yung pagtanggap mga kababayan kasi alam nila highly qualified itong si Sani Angara. Sabi naman po ni MR, the members of the House of Representatives echoed the same sentiments. Speaker Martin Romualdez said they are eager to collaborate with him to realize our vision of ensuring every Filipino has access to quality education. So gamay mga kababayan yung trabaho ni Sani Angara. Kahit na po si Party List Representative Franz Castro na dati galit na galit kay Inday at sa pamilya Duterte dahil sa red tagging. Ngayon natuwa po. Sabi po niya, we expect Secretary Angara to utilize his insights from EDCOM2 to implement much needed reforms in our education system. The crisis in education requires immediate and decisive action na niya. We in the ACT Teachers Party List are ready to work with the new DepEd leadership for the benefit of our learners, teachers, and the entire education sector, sabi ni Castro. Pati mga kababayan, yung Teachers Dignity Coalition, through its national chairperson, Benjo Basas, also hope Angara would spare DepEd from politics despite his risky appointment. However, the TDC said it is willing to engage with the new secretary. Di ba mga kababayan, ayos na ayos, welcome na welcome po. Natumbok ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos yung tamang replacement po kay Inday. Di ba? Pati yung Makati Business Club po, MBC. Sabi po ng MBC, we look forward to working with Senator Angara and wishes him all the best in this critical role to ensure that elementary and high school principals and teachers are equipped with literacy, technical, and character skills needed to prepare Filipino children and youth to meet the challenges of our future. The appointment of Angara comes at a time when the country ranked last among its ASEAN peers in the areas of science, reading, and mathematics, according to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development latest program for International Assessment Report or PISA. In the same survey, the country ranked 77th out of 81 countries that participated in this survey. Yan po yung legacy ni Inday. Bagsak na ratings po sa PISA. Kaya asa pa kayo mga kababayan, pati ngayon nung umiwalay na si Inday sa ating administrasyon, nagrisa na si DepEd Secretary, pabagsak na rin, pabulusok na rin po yung kanyang rating sa survey. Sa Publicos po, yung latest na survey po, pabulusok. Yung ating Pangulo, maintain niya yung kanyang ratings. Si Inday po, pabulusok. Parang yung bagsak mga kababayan ratings ng PISA sa ating mga mag-aaral. Di ba? Kaya sabi po ng Makati Business Club, these results highlight the urgent need for an experienced leader. Talagang binigyan ng emphasis yung experienced leader who will be able to transform and revive the Philippine education system. So sabi po nila, a well-educated population is the key to creating a competitive workforce that will be able to keep up with the rapid technological developments given the acceleration of artificial intelligence. Isinday po walang kakayahan doon sa ganon mga kababayan. Ang experience po ni Inday, boxing experience. Sheriff boxing experience. And no comment. Pag hindi niya kaya mga kababayan, magsalita, no comment lang. Hindi nga po nag-participate sa debate noong eleksyon. Kasi pag nag-participate siya, malamang hindi siya nanalo. Ma-expose po, mga kababayan, yung kanyang IQ. Kaya iniwasan na lang po yung debate, vice presidential debate. Never na nag-attend. You see, mabuti pa nga po si Linlin, kahit alam nating lutang, nag-attend ng presidential debate. Di ba? So sabi dito, bright days ahead. Angara sees sunny future for the education, Philippine education after appointment to DepEd. So alam natin na magaling yung ating DepEd Secretary. Hindi natin ikahihiya. Hindi yung sige lang po ang pakyot. At ang importante rito, hindi mo makitaan ng tattoo. Kaya po yung mga kabataan ngayon, yun ang natingala, nagpatato na rin. Di ba? Yung DepEd Secretary, puno ng tato yung paa. Tapos dito may laslas. Di ba? Baka yun pa ang gayahin ng ating mga mag-aaral. Ay, mga mag-aaral, kahit may problema po, yung ating mga kabataan, wag ninyong, wag never na mag-isip kayo na maglaslas. Masama po yan. So sabi po ni Angara, I am deeply honored, anya, and grateful to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for the trust he has placed in me by appointing me as the Secretary ng DepEd. The significant responsibility niya is one I accept with humility and a profound sense of duty. Pinasalamatan din niya yung mga education groups sa pag-endorse sa kanya sa ating Pangulo. I would like to also to express my gratitude to key educational organizations such as the Philippine Business for Education, the Coordinating Council of Private Educational Associations, and the Private Association of Colleges and Universities for their endorsement and trust. So sabi po niya, education niya is the cornerstone of our nation's future, and it is through collective effort that we can address the challenges and seize the opportunities ahead. I am eager to collaborate with President Marcos and the entire administration in serving our students, supporting our teachers, in enhancing the overall quality of education in our country. Yan dapat po ang isang education secretary. Hindi mo dapat maringgan ng kung ano-anong bagay na wala mang relasyon doon sa kanyang trabaho, sa kanyang mandato. Easy Inday po kung ano-anong pinangingialam. Yung kaso ni Kibuloy. Nangingialam. Yung presyo ng bigas. At iba pang mga bilihin, trabaho yun ng DTI at ng DA, pinangingialaman. Pagdating sa issue ng West Philippine Sea, kailangan siya as Vice President para malaman ang kanyang posisyon, no comment. Sablay, mga kababayan. O ngayon, nag-resign na siya. Di mag full-time na siya sa Nausog. Secretary of Nausog. So sabi po ng bagong secretary, thank you again, once again to the President for this opportunity. Together with the dedication of all stakeholders, we will strive to create a brighter future for our nation through education. Yan po, malaman ang mensahe, malalim, may substance ang kanyang mga pananalita. Tingnan nyo naman ang educational qualification ni Sani Angara. Master of Laws, Harvard Law School, Harvard University, Cambridge, Massachusetts, USA. Bachelor of Laws, University of the Philippines, College of Law. Bachelor of Science in Economics, International Relations, Second Class Honors, Upper Division, London School of Economics and Political Science, London, England. Elementary, grade school and high school po sa Xavier School sa San Juan, Manila. Di ba, mga kababayan? Yan yung kanyang career highlights, mga kababayan, no? Napakagaling na senador. Ano, Justice and Human Rights, Chairperson, Commissioner, EDCOM, Chairpersons, Finance, Chairpersons, Youth Committee, Chairpersons ng banks and financial institutions and currencies, Vice Chairperson, Economic Affairs, Vice Chairperson, Ways and Means. Malawak yung experience niya, mga kababayan. Pati sa local government committee, chairperson siya. Sa labor employment by vice chairperson. Pati sa sports committee, vice chairperson din sa education, arts and culture committee. Pati sa accountability of public officers. Pati tourism, science and technology. Yung kailangan to lahat sa as DepEd Secretary, mga kababayan. Pati sa Higher and Technical Education Committee, di ba? Yan yung mga laws authored and sponsored related to education and youth empowerment. Kabalikat sa pagtuturo, Teaching Supplies Act, establishing the Second Congressional Commission on EDCOM or EDCOM 2, Excellence in Teachers Act, Education Act, Inclusive Education Act, Alternative Learning System Act, National Academy for Sports Act, Mandatory Provision of Neutral Desk and Education Institutions Act, National Performing Arts Companies Act, Student Fair Discount Act, Philippine Sports Training Center Act, Gabaldon School Buildings Conservation Act. Yan ba, kalusugan at nutrition ng mga Magnanay Act, Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act, Integrated History Act of 2016, Unified Student Financial Assistance System for Tertiary Education Act, Open High School Act, Open Learning and Distance Education Act, Ladderized Education Act, Anti-Bullying Act, Protection of Students' Rights to Enroll in Review Centers Act, Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, Early Years Act, Universal Kindergarten Act, National Culture Heritage Act, University of the Philippines Charter of 2008. Yan pa, National Music Competition for Young Artists Act, National Youth Day Act, Summer Youth Camp, Strengthening Institutionalizing Additional Reforms to the Sangguniang Kabataan Reform Act of 2015, First Time Job Seekers Assistance Act, Strengthening and Expanding the Special Program for Employment of Students or SPES Act. Yan po si Senator Sani Angara. Highly qualified po. Well experienced sa education sector. Ito ang tuwa po yung mga tao, mga netizens. Congratulations. Very good choice naman. Congratulations po. Sabi ni Seki GA. Sabi ni Jane D. Guzman, congratulations po and welcome new DepEd Secretary. Sabi ni Gigi Bakilan Agabao, congratulations po Senator Angara. Sabi ni Melona Quitsi, well-deserved position. Sabi ni Berlito Tuts Kapulong, congratulations Senator Angara and God bless to your position as DepEd Secretary. Sabi ni Mike C, I'm hoping for better basic education in the Philippines with Angara. Sabi ni Lucky Maria, hoping and praying na sana hindi lang credentials ang maganda, but well then, congratulations po. Sabi ni Laurel Cardenas Vargas, congratulations sir, Secretary Sani. Sabi ni Arlene David Valiente, congratulations sir, welcome po to DepEd. Lahat magaganda po ang sinasabi. Lahat congratulations. Yan well deserved niya. Gustong-gusto nila yung naging appointment ng ating Pangulo. Yan ang dami-dami po. Sabi nito, ay, salamat Lord. Nakahinga ng maluwag po. Great achievements. Very good choice. Yan lahat yan, mga kababayan, nagko-congratulate. Yan 1,100 reactions, comments. Sabi ni Ahero, we are optimistic that at his leadership, he will guide the DepEd to better heights. God bless Mr. Secretary. Very qualified to the position. Sabi ni Marisa Orsolino, with good reputation in excellent public service, welcome to DepEd, our dearest Senator. now our DepEd Secretary. Maganda yung reputasyon. Yan o. He is the most qualified for the position. Sabi ni Joe Dalisay Masangkay, the future of the youth lies in your hands, sir. Praying for the success of his future programs for the learners and the educators. Sabi ni Ramel Bumatay, congratulations Senator Sani Angara on your appointment as DepEd Secretary. God bless you with more wisdom in the heart to serve the masses and pave the way for a better educational system for everyone. Sabi ni Ed Abanil, we welcome the appointment of Secretary Angara, looking forward to a productive engagement with the field offices. Sabi ni Mary Ann Tamayo Frias, wow, credential-wise, he is very much fitted to be our DepEd Secretary. Good luck po, Senator Angara. Sabi ni Edward Bong Mariano, credible based on the qualifications and achievements in the education sector. Good luck, Senator Sani Angara. Sabi ni Morpheus Atena, congratulations, hoping for wisdom and one color of school uniform. No to color discrimination. High school, God bless and guide you po. Sabi ni Rick Samaniega, congratulations, Senator Sani Angara, for your appointment as DepEd Secretary. Best choice, PBBM. Salamat po. PCCWI, Philippine Coalition of Consumer Welfare Incorporated. So, ang dami-dami pa po. More than 1,100 plus na mga reactions, mga kababayan, nagbibigay ng congratulatory message kay Senator Angara. Wala tayong nabasa na mga negative. Believe sila lahat. Ayas. Ayan man lang po mga kababayan. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.